this short tutorial, I'll guide you through the installation of the FX Console plugin and how to activate it inside After Effects. So on Google, type in FX Console and click on this website. Scroll down for a bit and click on download for either Windows or Apple, whichever one you're using. After that, extract the file you just downloaded, then click on this folder and open up the plugins installer. I agree, install. I already have it, so I don't need to install it again. But to activate it and open it up inside After Effects, hold Ctrl and the spacebar on your keyboard at the same time and the console will open up. I believe it's Command plus the spacebar for Apple users. You can now go to settings and add different shortcuts for your most used effects and presets. However, if you want to apply an effect using FX Console, you have to select your video or image layer first, or it can also be an audio layer if you're adding audio effects. But the point being, select your layer first and then hold Ctrl and the spacebar at the same time. And now you can search for your effects and apply them very quickly. Or you can directly apply them using the shortcuts you made. So the value of this plugin is that it makes your workflow much more efficient. You can also take screenshots of frames in your video using this plugin, something that seems hard to do in After Effects for some reason. And you can look back on these screenshots quickly inside the gallery option here. And you can also export them and have them in your computer if you are planning on making a thumbnail using them, for example. So please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.